The Congo River is Africa's deepest and most powerful jungle river.
Violent currents here can pull anything underwater. Nile crocodiles dominate African jungle waters. Hidden currents make these rivers extremely dangerous. Morning mist hides predators beneath silent waters. Even the skies above jungle rivers are hunting grounds.
These rivers act as lifelines through the jungle.
Dense vegetation hides danger just below the surface. Many jungle rivers remain unexplored even today. Beauty and danger exist side by side here. The Orinoco hides powerful predators in muddy jungle waters. Bull sharks can swim far into freshwater jungle rivers. Piranha teeth are designed to slice flesh instantly.
These giant snakes strike silently from the water.
Strong currents can drag animals deep below the surface. Caimans disappear quickly before launching sudden attacks. Morning fog makes river predators almost invisible. Even peaceful animals risk their lives near jungle rivers. The murky water hides countless unseen creatures.
Flooded forests create perfect hunting grounds for predators.
The Mekong River holds some of Asia's most dangerous wildlife. This stingray carries a venomous spine capable of deadly injury. Dense jungle hides predators waiting beside the water. Giant catfish grow enormous inside jungle rivers. Tropical storms quickly turn rivers into violent floods. Birds hunt constantly along jungle rivers. Some jungle rivers are so remote, humans rarely reach them. Below the surface, unseen predators patrol constantly. These rivers stretch thousands of kilometers through wilderness.
Riverbanks are the most dangerous places for jungle animals. The Sepik River flows through one of the wildest jungles.
Crocodiles rule many jungle rivers around the world. Sudden movement often means a predator nearby. Calm waters often hide the greatest dangers. Fallen trees create hidden traps in jungle rivers.
Jungle rivers shape entire ecosystems.
Even small ripples can signal lurking predators. Life thrives around these dangerous waters. Below the surface lies a world few ever see. Jungle rivers remain among Earth's most mysterious waters. The Amazon holds more water than any other river. Sudden movement often signals a nearby predator. Anacondas spend most of their lives inside jungle rivers. Caimans detect prey using powerful night vision.
Seasonal floods expand rivers deep into the forest.
Electric eels generate shocks up to 600 volts. Soft riverbanks collapse without warning. Tropical storms quickly transform rivers into raging floods. Hidden whirlpools can pull animals underwater instantly. The Congo River is the deepest river on Earth. Powerful rapids make parts of the Congo nearly impossible to cross. Nile crocodiles dominate African jungle rivers. Muddy water hides predators just below the surface. Dense jungle vegetation creates perfect ambush points. Many jungle fish grow enormous in these rivers. The Mekong supports one of the world's largest freshwater ecosystems. Some stingrays here weigh more than 200 kilograms. Many jungle rivers remain completely unexplored. Beauty often hides deadly dangers in jungle rivers. Fallen trees create hidden traps for animals and boats. Below the surface lies a mysterious underwater world. Birds rely on jungle rivers for hunting. These waterways stretch thousands of kilometers through wilderness. Deep water hides predators humans rarely encounter. For jungle wildlife, every visit to the river is dangerous. Heavy rain can double river levels within hours. Mist often hides predators waiting silently. These rivers shape life across the rainforest. A single ripple may reveal hidden movement below. Few places on Earth remain this wild. The deeper you go, the more mysterious it becomes. The Mekong supports one of the world's largest freshwater ecosystems. Jungle rivers hold some of nature's greatest secrets. Crocodiles rule many jungle rivers around the world. The Amazon holds more water than any other river. Anacondas spend most of their lives inside jungle rivers. Tropical storms quickly transform rivers into raging floods. Nile crocodiles dominate African jungle rivers. Beautiful, powerful, and dangerously unpredictable. These jungle rivers remain among Earth's most dangerous places.